It's Amazon time! So it was my birthday last week and I got a couple Amazon gift cards and I decided to treat myself to some budget camera, blogging, vlogging, YouTube gear that I have been eyeing for a little while but just never pulled the trigger on. I ordered 4 things which came to about 168 Canadian. The 4th one actually is supposed to come tomorrow, but I'm impatient, so we're just gonna unbox the first 3. So the first is something I have been wanting for a really long time, a portable RGB light. There are a lot of really expensive ones out there. I originally wanted the Aperture MC, but Canadian, it was like $140. This, I think, was $34, and oh my gosh, it's so small. I know it was pocket size. If I wanted to, I could attach it to my camera through the hot shoe plate. I could attach it directly to a tripod. It needs to, oh, thought it might need to be charged. Look at that. Oh, like it's really bright. Okay, this is actually a little softbox cover. You can take it off, and this is just to diffuse the light. It is rechargeable. It comes with the C cord, and not only does it have a bunch of different settings, we've got candle mode, TV, fireworks, ambulance. Can I change it to no mode? Let me just look at the instructions here for a second. Oh, mode switch. So there are actually a couple of reasons that I wanted this. First, I wanted to have a light that I could easily mount to my camera to be able to get clearer content on the fly. The second is that I have wanted to up my lighting setup at home, which is kind of ironic because I am filming this on the fly sitting on the floor of my living room. But I can have it as a fill light coming from the front. I can have it as a hair light. You can have it cycle through like daylight all the way to like a really warm tungsten light, which is quite orangey. Like, look how orangey I am here. And because this is an RGB light, you can change the color. It actually has a color guide in the back, which tells you the numbers, and you can just do really cool lighting setups. Like if I wanted to have a bit of a purpley glow in my background, I could have this just sitting up here. Let me know if you want me to do like a full video where I'm turning on and off lights so you can really see how this works. And actually the one item that I'm still waiting on is actually a smaller version of this. It's about half the size. It's supposed to be a pretty powerful light for the price point, and it can also go through the RGB spectrum. So really excited for that one to come too, but I have wanted something like this forever. Next up is this JJCTM series multi-function timer remote control. In other words, an intervalometer. I saw somebody talk about intervalometers as a way to just have excellent travel photography, and I really wish I remembered who it was. But the principle behind this is that you hook this guy up to your camera, and this one does take AA batteries. And what this allows for is for me to completely set the parameters of my camera's shutter. So if I wanted to take selfies, for example, using my camera, I could set it all up perfectly. I could set the countdown timer, and I can set the interval, so how often I want it to take photos, and the number of photos I want it to take. Yes, the camera does have its own countdown feature, but at least with the RP, you can't control how long it's gonna count down for. It's 10 seconds and that is it. You also can't control the interval time. You can only control how many photos you want it to take. And separate from travel photography, when I'm just trying to take photos in my apartment, I have an issue because with my lenses, I can't reach the shutter. So when I take a photo like this is where it will focus on. So I have to be about this close to the camera, and with this, I can get a good ways away, and this is gonna come in handy for something as simple as YouTube thumbnails. I know you might be thinking, okay, well, what about the Canon app? Doesn't it have a shutter release on it? Yes, it does, but I find the connection so incredibly glitchy. This is supposed to be simple and pretty foolproof. Ooh, I feel like I should set this up. And now I'm not in the shadows. Anyways, this is going to be perfect. This is small enough that it can fit in my camera bag. Let me know if you want to see a video on this guy. Next up, I ordered the Movo VXR10 universal cardioid microphone. So here's the thing, I actually already have a shotgun mic, and it's actually right here. Or at least I thought it was right there. Ah, here. It is this beast of a mic. The only thing I do not like about it is that it is battery operated, and you don't know when your battery is going to die until it's dead. And honestly, because the light is on the back, if you are self-filming, it could be dead and I could be filming for a really long time with no sound, and that makes me deeply uncomfortable. So with this one, there is no batteries required. It is powered by being hooked up to your camera. A similar idea to my lavalier mic here. The other thing I really like about this is how small it is. So this is it with the dead cat, and this is the size of the mic versus this here. I do want to start getting into vlogging, and I just really like the idea of having a more discreet camera setup. Like obviously this isn't the most discreet, but I feel like it's still better than this. And then when I put the wind muff on this one, it's massive looking. And it comes with a shock absorber. Oh my goodness, I'm gonna break these things. Ta-da! This actually comes with one cord that works for iPhones, which I forgot that the iPhone has the lightning cord in it, so I feel like this would have to go into the lightning adapter. And then this is the cord for the camera itself. I'm looking forward to testing the audio quality of this one. And that is my little birthday haul. I am linking all of these in the description. They are affiliate links, so do use them to shop if you want to help support this channel. I have also included them with all of my camera and YouTube blogging gear in my Amazon storefront, which I will also link below. And let me know in the comments what you think of this kind of casual unboxing style video. Until next time.